Hello friends, this is Sangram Savargave, an associate professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane. Dear friends, today I am going to speak about industrial automation and environmental sustainability. I have chosen this topic as a part of YouTube video week 2 assignment work. Dear friends, we all know the word very well, automation. The meaning of automation means we are trying to reduce the efforts put by personals. Totally, or at most, we are trying to avoid the interference of personals in any activity, in any work. So, regarding industrial automation, if we observe closely, the objectives which are achieved, that is, identify environmental risk, then hazardous material handling, then business reputation, then social responsibility, energy savings, identifying environmental risks in the workplace. Then, as a part of industrial automation, following things are taken into account: water systems and oceans, land and nature, air and atmosphere, noise prevention. All those factors are taken into account as a part of automation to achieve the highest efficiency. Green automation. So, industrial automation initiated the green automation means industries are trying to save the resources via automation. This is the goal of the initiative called green automation. Then more energy efficient devices like robots, solar cells, computers, internet of things, everything is considered as a part of automation. Then competitive production in the field of renewable energies, the industry is facing environmental responsibility. So, environmental protection and scarcity of resources and high-tech robots at first sight, these two issues seems to have very little in common. So, optimizing production processes, photovoltaic cell use the sun for power production. High performance robots are able to guarantee accurate, faster, and safe production starting from raw material to finished products. So, these are the few examples. Then, offering good products at low cost, possible with complete automation. Wind energy is also most important renewable energies. Here, also, automation plays a vital role. Varnishing robots, for example, are doing their circles theory, painstaking, plus the long rotor plates are evenly coated, so we could achieve a reduction in material and higher efficiency than manual operations would have provided. Robots not only help to save resources, but they themselves become more and more efficient. Outstanding example is a new lightweight robot that is currently employed as a prototype and assembling rear axles with a weight of just about 14 kilos. The little helper has the energy consumption of a toaster. The lightweight has an extremely sensitive sensor control that enables it to perform the tasks that require precision, sensibility, and strength, thus enabling the robots to support humans and tasks which require great physical strength also. Additionally, robot is able to switch off in case a human being approaches. So we do not need protective defenses within factory. Actually, it's not always the big device that helps to save energy. This high performance engineering computer isn't bigger than a fat paper bag. Device is connected with a camera and decides with the lightning speed whether a product is good or a bad. That most interesting feature is that it needs only 5 to 10% of energy of a PC having purchasing cost and energy cost. After a couple of years, the computer was practically free to charge. So automation pays off. So in turn, as a result of industrial automation, which we achieve less energy requirement, low cost for a production, more safety is involved, environment protection, that parameter is also taken into account. So in this way, industrial automation is achieving the environmental sustainability. Thank you. Thank you very much.